Leo loved three things: video games, snacks, and saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." He was 12 years old with messy brown hair and a big smile. Everyone liked Leo. He was funny and kind, but he had one very bad habit. He always waited. His mom asked him to clean his room. "Tomorrow, Mom," he said, and kept playing his game. His teacher reminded him about his science project. "I'll start tomorrow," Leo said with a smile. His best friend Sam asked him to practice for the school talent show. "Tomorrow," Leo said. "I'm too tired today." Every day was the same. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. But tomorrow always became today, and nothing ever got done. Then one Monday morning, Leo walked into class feeling happy and relaxed. His teacher stood at the front of the room and smiled at everyone. "Don't forget," she said, "the science fair is this Friday. Please bring your finished projects." Leo's smile disappeared. His stomach felt like it dropped to the floor. He had no project, no ideas, nothing, zero. Sam looked at him. "Did you finish yours?" Leo shook his head slowly. "I was going to start tomorrow." Sam sighed. "Leo, there is no more tomorrow." That afternoon, Leo sat at his desk at home and stared at a blank piece of paper. He felt scared and embarrassed. For the first time, tomorrow was not an option. He had 4 days. He had to start now. He took a deep breath, picked up his pencil, and began. He decided to make a project about plants and sunlight. It wasn't a big or fancy idea, but it was his. He worked all Tuesday. He worked all Wednesday. On Thursday night, he stayed up late cutting, coloring, and writing carefully. His mom came in quietly and placed a warm cup of tea beside him. She looked at his work and smiled. "Look at you," she said softly. "You're really doing it." Leo looked up with tired eyes and smiled back. "Yeah," he said, "I am." On Friday morning, Leo carried his project into the science fair. It wasn't the biggest. It wasn't the most beautiful, but it was colorful and clear, and Leo had made every part of it himself. A judge stopped at his table, read his work, and nodded slowly. "Very nice explanation, young man. Well done." Leo stood a little taller. At the end of the day, Leo didn't win first place. He won third place, a small yellow ribbon. He held it in both hands and felt something warm and strong inside his chest. It was better than any game he had ever won. Sam ran over and hugged him. "You did it, Leo." "I did," Leo laughed. "And I didn't wait until tomorrow." That evening, Leo opened his notebook and wrote 3 words in big letters: "Do it now." He cut it out and stuck it on his bedroom wall, right above his desk, where he could always see it. And from that day on, whenever Leo thought about saying tomorrow, he looked at that note, took a deep breath, and started today.